I think with a lot of people might resonate with this when you're at the starting point of your career or when you've started a business, you put a lot of pressure on yourself. This definitely took a toll on my health. I hadn't had COVID for the first 2 years. In 2022, I got it twice. I got it once in Jan and I got it really, really bad, and it didn't exactly go away when COVID went away. I dealt with a lot of gut issues for a long time. In fact, after I got COVID the first time, I was hospitalized a couple of months later with salmonella. So I was on the drip for a week almost when I got discharged as well. So it was at its complete peak. So I think my body just went through so much of a blanket bombing of various treatments and medication. This has been so recent for me, the hyper-focus on my health. I really think that my body was speaking to me. It was actually shouting and screaming, and I had to take notice. So the gym is a really alien environment to me. I wanted to kind of get out of my comfort zone and start taking my workouts more seriously.
Nice. 3. Very good. 4. One more. 2. Very nice. Down. Okay. 1. Inhale at the bottom. Tap and up. 2. Very nice. Tap. 3. We need speed. 2 more. 4. Very good. One last. Tap.
It's really important for me to do this so that I can have better health, be a better boss at work, be a better, person for my parents. I think health and, my fitness sits at the core center of all of these aspects. And that's my truth.